Hello and welcome back to our channel where we discuss the latest technological advancements and how they can impact our daily lives. In this video, we'll be talking about a new AI chatbot from Google called BARD. BARD is short for Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers Autoregressive Decoder. It's a long name, but it's a powerful tool that Google is offering to help people communicate more effectively with AI. What is Google BARD? Google BARD is a conversational AI chatbot that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze text input and generate a natural-sounding response. The primary purpose of BARD is to improve accessibility for people with disabilities, primarily those who have difficulty with typing, reading, and writing. BARD can understand the context of the conversation and generate responses based on that context, making it a useful tool for people who want to communicate with a chatbot in a more natural way. It's also an excellent tool for people who need assistance with language translation. Google BARD can respond in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and Portuguese, making it a versatile tool for people around the world. How to use Google BARD AI chatbot? Using Google BARD is simple, and it can be accessed on any device that has internet access. Here's how you can use Google BARD. Step 1. Go to the Google BARD website or open the Google Assistant app on your device. Step 2. Type or speak your message in the text input box. Step 3. BARD will analyze the message and generate a natural-sounding response. If you want to hear the response, you can click on the audio icon, and BARD will speak the response out loud. Step 4. If you want to continue the conversation, you can keep typing or speaking, and BARD will continue to generate responses based on the context of the conversation. Step 5. If you want to end the conversation, you can say, "Goodbye," or "Thank you," and BARD will close the conversation. Tips for using Google BARD AI chatbot. Here are some tips for using Google BARD effectively. Be clear and concise in your messages. This will help BARD understand your message and generate an appropriate response. Speak or type in complete sentences. BARD works best when it has a clear understanding of the context of the conversation. Take advantage of the translation feature. If you're communicating with someone who speaks a different language, BARD can help you translate your messages in real time. BARD is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it may generate responses that don't make sense, but you can always correct it by providing more context. Google BARD is an excellent tool for people who need assistance with communication. It's easy to use, and it can generate natural-sounding responses that can help people communicate more effectively with AI. BARD is also an excellent tool for language translation, making it a valuable resource for people around the world. With Google's continued commitment to accessibility and innovation, we can expect to see more powerful tools like BARD in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.